With water flows from 85 to 2,000 litres per minute, Crommelins Machinery can meet all your pumping needs. From small 1-inch portable pumps for quick and easy water transfer, all the way to 4-inch pumps for on-site construction and even mining applications. Crommelins has a range of firefighting pumps that come with a carry handle and output water at high pressure. These pumps are suitable for water transfer for dams, washing farm equipment and of course firefighting. Optional extras include firefighting hose kits, single or twin impeller, and even mounted in a frame or on a trolley. Crommelins Machinery can provide petrol, diesel and even electric options, all backed by a national network of local dealers and service agents. Visit crommelins.com.au to view the full range of pumps available and for more information. Thanks for watching and bye for now.